So now I have my table. I'm gonna save it as first week sales in my documents. I'm gonna select this table, copy paste it, copy. I'm gonna quit that. Open Microsoft Excel. Come right here and paste it to keep the format as it was in it Word. So now I got my table. So it's a little bit more complicated Excel. It looks more complicated, but it's really easy when you understand. You can do really whatever you want with the table. You can make it bigger, smaller, whatever. After that, I'm gonna insert a graph of what I want. So I can do this right here. I got a nice graph of the sales of my album. So I've got the first week sale of Drake, Jay-Z, Kanye West, J. Cole, and Lil Wayne. So now, if I want to move it to another page, I'm gonna move the graphic, new page. I'm gonna name it artist sales wrap. So here you go. I got it in another page. I got my graph. Now I can do whatever I want. I can change the color of it. I can put it red, and I could change the title for "2013 Best Rap Albums." Here we go. I got my graph. Now I can change the color. Put it red like the background. So after that, come back here. I'm gonna give a new name to that. I'm gonna name it first sales table. I'm gonna change the color to put it blue. Here we go. Now I can select this format painter and put it right here. Now I'm gonna write the total, and I will change those numbers to numbers and add a 0. So now I got these, and I can do a function. I just have to click right here, equal sign, sum. I select all of these, and here you go. I have the total of albums sold. You can do the same thing as I did, format this so that it look the same. What I can also do is take this, format paint this to here. This is 61 pixel. I'm gonna drag it to 61. Now I'm gonna write the total sales, and here I'm gonna format this so it's like this. So if Drake album was sold 12, Jay-Z 11, 13, let's say 17, 12, and $11. Sorry, it's the total. And here it won't be total sales, it will be the cost album. And here format paint, and 61. So now I can write my total sales. here you go. Now I can do a function that will, first I have to adjust them like this, and I can do a function that will calculate the total sales. Here you go. I can do it for each of them. So now I've got my total. What I can do next is an average of the cost of the albums. So equal now I select all of these, and the average cost of the albums are $13. I'm gonna adjust it to $13. So here you go. And what I can do is do a multiplication of this, the total first week sales, times the average cost of the album, and that gives me the total. So that's it for Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel, and I hope you learned a little bit how to work with those two tools. Thank you.